it never says outright Jesus saying, I am God. You know, that's
Okay.
not exactly what he says. But there's
Okay, so we would agree that there is no verse that clearly says Jesus is God.
yeah,
Okay.
there's not. The verse.
And your reference to Jesus saying I and the Father are one doesn't make sense for him being God, because then all the followers of Jesus are one with God in the same way, which is mentioned here in the verse. I'll quote this verse to you and tell me what you think. This is John 17:3. According to the Bible, Jesus said, "This is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ, whom you have sent." So we agreed that there's no verse in the Bible that clearly calls Jesus God. But Jesus, according to the Bible, says there's only one true God, and he sent Jesus. So he separates himself from God. In fact, Jesus continuously in the Bible calls God my God. He prays to God himself, right? Even after the second coming and after the development of those that overcome, it says, and this is in Revelations 3:12, he who overcomes, I will make him a pillar in the temple of my God. So if Jesus is God, why would he be calling somebody else my God?
I mean, I can't really say anything to that. I'm not gonna lie.